Hey guys, this is TGStudios in Roblox Studio. As the name sort of describes, I've made a AI system that checks to see if there's anything else in your game apart from the part splitter script, which is the main script that I'm working on, and the base plate. So if you add any more items to the base plate, it creates many little AI things in the workspace, and it will sort of basically just get rid of them. So if I actually spawn that in, put that there. So these pusher things that I'll create is just basically blocks. Will touch the items in the model and it send it skyward. So here we go. I'll run the script and hopefully it will spawn in a few seconds. Oh, here we go. There we go. Kind of like a swarm that is trying to destroy the world, if you like in the few films. I can't think what that film was called, where the you get sort of a swarm of bots, nanobots, going through a city destroying it. This is my version of it, if you like. So if I spawn in the tree, when it's done with that, it will come for the tree. There we go. Instead of what happens when I spawn in a zombie. Oh, would help if I actually spawn him on the base plate. Try again. Oh, you might hear something in the background. I've got a couple of guinea pigs sitting very, very close to me. They're in the box at the moment. Sort of getting them used to sounds and things at the moment. So you might hear a few guinea pig sounds there, here and there. I might even show them on one of my following video sort of thing. I don't know yet. I suppose if I get enough requests, I might show them on my webcam. Yeah, they're actually my sisters more than anything. Anyway, back to this this code. So yeah, so if anything gets put into the workspace that is not anchored, it will shut up. I don't know if you can hear that. They're having a well of a time in there, doing their machine gun sounds and things. Right, let's cut that out and put it back in. There we go. So yeah, just a little thing that I've added when I was bored one night. There we go. So they're slowly destroying this hangar, sending every single bit skyward. And of course, when they've got no bits to play with, they just drop dead and then just despawn. I might show that in a map. Right, they're going after another bit. Oh, that's laggy. Up they go. I might even make them a bit more bigger so you can actually see them on YouTube if you like. Right, let's spawn in another big model. Let's actually do that one. Ah, so is that anchored? That must be. So it did not work. Let's try that one. Here we go, we're going to destroy the car. Oh look, it's just destroyed it. Kinda. So it must be using a different system than normal Roblox. Let's have a look. Ah, yes. Adding them inside a... what is that? A union operation. Kinda naughty. But it still works, so whatever. Right, let's do this pine tree. And of course, unanchor it. It falls through the ground. Lovely. Right, let's do a building. Let's see if it would actually do that. Let's try a house. Come on, Roblox, load up. Thank you. Now, is this anchored or is it unanchored? We're about to find out. Why are we waiting? Because we're constipating? I don't know. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. Now I can't get to the house. So if you live in this kind of house and this script's installed on the server, then you're safe. So what are they going after, I wonder? Oh, I think I just broke Roblox. No, the house has just exploded. Lovely. Wahaha. I think that's because it was anchored, and usually when you unanchor big models like that, they sort of explode. Oh well, good for the video. And these bots are going to go haywire now. Yep, they're going to haywire. This code is basically a modification of one of my turrets. I just got rid of the turret itself and just set a spawn point for them to spawn into. And the code behind them is they check around the base plate. If any parts are within their grab range and it's not too laggy, they go and try and push it off the base plate. So as soon as this lag sort of stops, we should be good. Oh, here we go. And it will start clearing up the base plate. So if you like, it's a complex clean place cleaner, if you like. No, it's too laggy. So yeah, so the name. I forgot I set there about all that. My name, Pusher. Yeah. So the max range of the script is 1024 studs. You can increase that if you want to. And I think I set each of the pusher a sort of a lifetime, if you like. And I don't know what I was doing here. I think I was trying to work out if the parts are actually that's right, I was trying to do a selected part, so if the target is actually nil, then it always go after that, if I can comment that. If at all, or the way I've got it now is it looking for a target each tick, each cycle. So anything closer to the spawn point, it would go after. I could do per pusher what's the closest part to each of the pushers, but at the same time that'd be really laggy. So as the I guess I can call them bots rather than pushers, once they actually touch the object they are seeking, they set a velocity of that part to the pusher part or the robot part by its look vector times -1000, so it pushes it up usually, or pushes it behind itself. So yeah, then it puts inside a ignore tag. I'm not 100% sure if that's working yet, because it's still very experimental, and I made this I think about 4 months ago. And I sort of made it and then just left it. I know, sacrilege. And I was thinking, I think what I was doing here was when the explosion sort of hits the explosion radius, sort of when it explodes, if it hits another part, the other part sort of blows away and explodes, but that causes too much lag, so I commented it out. Yeah, so I add the part that's just been pushed to the game debris add item system. So after a few seconds, like in this case 10 seconds, the game sort of removes it. Just a really lazy way of doing it. And of course for the push-ups themselves it's 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds the pusher robot actually gets removed. That's basically all that does. So then I think at this for loop I'm actually going through the parts table, which is grabbed by this get target function, and it grabs everything inside the workspace, kind of like a zombie script if you like, and it gets the closest distance to the spawn point. Yeah, so that's where I'm determining the actual spawn point. Just a random, or should I say a vector 3 positioned 50 studs, minus 50 studs X, which is I think back from the camera when you first spawn, 200 studs up, and nothing for Z. So yeah. My name, I can't get over that variable name that I've done. Whatever. It shows I have fun when I'm making these scripts. Yeah, so coding should always, you should always have fun while coding, and you can name your variable names anything as long as it works. If you really wanted to, you could name your variable codes as swear words. I wouldn't advise it because you probably get flagged in Roblox, but it's possible and it still work. So yeah, so yeah. Anyway, this is been together in Roblox Studio on my Place Destroyer, I guess, bots. And if you guys want to play around with this, just leave a comment saying that you want to, and I'll upload this to you somewhere so you can actually play around with it. And I'll catch you guys later. TGStudios signing out.